Today I got a couple things to do. I have a new track that I'll be putting on in a different video. I put one new one on about a month ago, but I broke my rib when I was doing it. I'll tell you that story when we get into it. But today I want to fix, see how the Bobtach has the springs with the bushing that goes through at the nut? Well, I broke it, so I just had a bolt laying around that I just did temporarily. So I bought all new, wherever my parts went. Must have left them in the truck. I got all new parts for this. So we're going to tear this apart and I'll show you how to put one of these together. Repair this if you don't need a handle. Probably should have got a handle because the hole is pretty wallowed out here. But I don't know if I need that or not. Yeah, I probably should have brought a new handle, but maybe I can put some weld in there to tighten that up or go back and get one. But what you're going to need is, everybody thinks that the sleeve that runs in here is just a bushing, this part right here. They think that that's just a bushing, but it's not. It's this whole piece here. This comes through the back of the plate, and then it gets welded on right here. Couple beads of weld right there, and then the nut or the bolt goes. Oh, let's get this thing back here. Bolt goes through the back there, then the spring goes on there, washer goes on there, and then the nut goes on there. So that's how this thing is. And you can see this part right here. This is this part sticking through. So you gotta get a torch out and cut that weld off to get that through. We're gonna do it on this side. I don't know if this sleeve is broken yet, so if it's not, we'll leave it, and then this will be a backup. But this one we gotta tear apart. So let me get the torch out, get this apart, clean it up, and we'll get to it. All right, I started grinding on this a little bit here. Hit it a few times with the hammer, but you can start to see little cracks starting to show up right around the edges here. So once you grind enough of this weld off, you hit it from underneath with a punch, and this plug will come out. So once that comes out, I don't know why. I don't know. I guess it can come out. Yeah, no, it can come out either way. So you just stick this up through and get about that much reveal on it. First grind it here and whack it a few times. Okay, so I ground on this. I ground on it until I saw the ring around here, and then tapped on it this way to break it loose. A little bit came off here, but that'll all get welded back up. Hey, you, get out from under there. Hey, poor, come on, get out from under there. Don't go under there. I get yelled at enough on here. So I gotta fish this thing out of here, and then we'll clean this edge up around here, bevel it real good, stick the new one in, and then weld it up. Alright, well now this just slides right in here, so I can get it where it needs to be, and then just start welding around it. I'm looking at this one over here, and I can see the bolt is just flush with the bottom here. So it appears that this thing can go pretty much like this. I think if this front part here is flush, that's where we're going to want to be. Because when you put a bolt in there, the bolt will be... Let's put a bolt in there. You know, because you don't want anything coming in contact with the back of the bucket or whatever thing you got on there. So I think that is going to be where it goes, right there. Yeah, let me get the welder fired up, and we'll just start filling this in. Thought I turned that on. Anyways, I got that welded up. I had the wire speed going like crazy right there. So once I adjusted it, that's good. Let's clean that up a little bit. And I bought some of this gray paint. protect it, but that should be good. Let me clean this up and we'll get back to it. Hot, but it's in there. You can see this one over here. You know, you can only weld so many of these in before you have to replace this whole piece here. So the metal starts getting thin, but I got that all filled in there, so that should work out for now. And then, but this was the only thing I was talking about is oh Jesus, I gotta extend this, but you know, I don't think that hole should be that large. Maybe. Yeah, this one is too. I wonder if maybe I should either go buy another handle. You know what, I'm probably going to buy another handle. I'm not going to start welding in here and then grinding it out. That's just dumb. These handles are probably 20 or 30 bucks. So now I'm just going to put it together and then go out and get another handle. Take a look at that. Alright, that looks pretty good. Gonna get another handle. These are about this much longer. I cut it off so I can put it on the excavator attachment, but that's not a big deal. I'll get a new handle, nip the end off, and then the hole there should be tighter. And back there, this one should be also a little bit tighter. So I think we're good to go. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.